Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased bridalfabs.myshopify.com reviews, and will let you know is bridalfabs.myshopify.com legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So by the end of this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that Bridal Fabs offers variety of Indian outfits and kids wear. And guys, here we can see that the prices of these products are too good to believe. So before buying anything from this shopping website, let's check its authenticity. And before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Airtel Pay, Amazon Pay, MX, Freecharge, MasterCard, PayPal, Paytm, RuPay and Visa. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that Bridal Fabs offers free standard delivery and all orders are processed and shipped within 2 working days after the confirmation of payment. Guys, the point to note here is that Bridal Fabs do not offer cash on delivery option. Still here in mode of payment section, they have written that they accept COD payments. So it seems that the content over the website might be copied from some other shopping websites. Therefore, now it becomes very crucial for us to check the content quality of this website. Guys, here we can see that 43% of the content over this website is copied from other shopping websites. So it is a red flag. Now let's have a look on return and refund policies. So guys, here we can see that their return policy lasts for 30 days and refund, if applicable, will be initiated automatically in the original mode of payment. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that no information related to cancellation policy is available. Again, it's a red flag. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here we can see that the address, contact number and an email ID is provided, which is bridalfabs@gmail.com. Addition to this, I would like to inform you that the given email address does not exist. So you won't be able to send mails. Also, you won't be able to make calls as well because the given number does not exist. So guys, it's a negative point. Moving on to check the customer reviews. So guys, here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback. So let's check the customer reviews over the reliable sites on the internet. So guys, I could not find even a single customer review on the internet as well. Thus, it's a red flag because customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in identifying the legitimacy of any shopping website. So guys, loopholes such as incomplete details related to cancellation policy, lack of presence on social media platforms, misleading contact details, lack of customer remarks, copied content and duplicate images of the products makes us to doubt the authenticity of this shopping website. So based on all these checkpoints, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the authenticity of bridalfabs.myshopify.com. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.